Hey guys, it's Miss Fella. Okay, so Friday, if you've been paying attention, we did this really pretty easy worksheet where you just had to do 1/2 the apothem, this new word here, times the perimeter, which is 8 times 6 in this case, or 13 times 8. And that was the area of each polygon, regular polygon. Now, you're going to get a side 2 soon, where if you notice, the apothem's not there, or there's a side length not there. So how do you find it? So that's what we're going to learn today. So I'm going to take, for example, a regular hexagon, and say I'm just given a side length, just one side length. And I need to find the apothem. So what you're going to do is draw it in, and it's perpendicular. Oops. Anyway, it's perpendicular, so you have a right angle there. Now, do you guys remember this? When we learned the total of the interior angles? So I have a 6-sided shape, and I need to find each angle. So I'm going to just do the 720 divided by 6, and we get 120 for each angle. So if each angle is 120, we're now going to draw in a little hypotenuse to make this a right triangle. And when we do that, what happens to the 120? It is split in half. So 60 and 60. Okay, so what I'm trying to find is the apothem. We'll call that X. So now we're going to go back to, remember, SOHCAHTOA. It never goes away. So we have sine, cosine, and tangent. In this triangle, we have half of 7, which is 3.5. 3.5, half of 7. Here, I'll put that in this picture. So we have our sides. We have an adjacent side to the angle and an opposite side. So that is going to be tangent, opposite over adjacent. So we're going to do our math here. We're going to find the tangent of 60, and we know it equals the opposite over adjacent. So we're going to do the math. Do the tangent of 60 is 1.73. That equals x over 3.5. Now you could just cross multiply. So I'm going to do times 3.5. About 6.06. Okay, now I have the apothem, so I can go and do the regular thing that you guys did on Friday on the worksheet, where we just plugged it in, half the apothem, about 6.06, you could make it 6 if you want, times perimeter. Okay, a lot of you did just times 7. It's not times 7, it's 7 times, what, 6 sides? Right? 6 sides, 7 plus 7 plus 7, because it's regular. So 7 times 6, 42. And then you go ahead and do the math that you did the other day. So if you want to see the steps, I will do them. Let's see, we have times 254.5-ish divided by 2. And now I have the area. Okay, so try that. Watch this video over and over again. And if needed, I will make another one. But for now, that's how you're going to do. You could try like the first one. Okay, bye. Talk soon.